Uh, are you hearing me?
Yes, go ahead.
Firstly, I request Mr. Varol should speak shortly.
Hello for all. I am electrical engineer and I am here as an international business development director of B-Plan. B-Plan engineering will also provide service in the field of electrotechnics from now. In particular, I'm sorry.
Varol Bey devam edin.
Okay, in particular, we will have undertake project design works for industrial facilities, green energy, for example, solar, biomass, waste to energy, and the others. You can convey all your electrical problems to us. We can produce fast, definite, and economical solutions. Since I think there are still untouched places, especially in the Balkans and Africa, we can help you with energy investments. Today is, I think that it is enough.
Miss Sümeyye, please mute yourself. Only Mr. Varol and Osman should speak.
And Mr. Osman can go on.
Thank you, Mr. Varol. Mr. Varol, our International Development Manager, and thanks. Hello, everyone. This is Osman Acıyan from Plan B Engineering. I am a mechanical engineer. Mr. President, please start our presentation.
Yeah, I will share screen.
Okay. As a business organization, Plan B Engineering, we start with applications of mechanical installation in 2001. Has established the departments of Plan B electricity, Plan B alternative energy systems, respectively. After then, Plan B workshop, which was established in Istanbul in 2010, and can carry out stainless steel spatial manufacturing works for industrial facilities. Plants has further expanded its capacity by producing fast and accurate solutions for our customers. Next slide, please. Which jobs are considered as mechanical installation works? It covers equipment works such as fire extinguishing systems, firefighting systems, air conditioning, cooling systems, pool installations, ventilation systems, clean water installations, hot and cold water installations also, water installations, HVAC automation works, and the establishment of spatial process lines in factories. Fire pump groups, water pumps, domestic water hydroforce, air handling units, air conditioning plants, chillers, etc. all this kind works and materials mechanical installation and mechanical installation works. Next, please. Our motto is profitable solutions for every investment. Since 24 years, we have been working in the branch of plant engineering to condition the air and make people comfortable. Our main activity in years has been to establish healthier, more comfortable living and working space by heating, cooling, cleaning, and conditioning the air. Next, please. What are our priority preferred jobs? As Plan B engineering, our primary preference worldwide is the supply of device, equipment, and materials, providing necessary engineering services and exporting for the mechanical installation equipments of structures with different features such as office buildings, stores, data centers, restaurants, industrial facilities, industrial plants, shopping malls, hotels, residence villas, schools and hospitals. These mean all kind buildings is feasible for our works. Next. Our service, Plan B engineering services consist of two main groups. First one, device, equipment, and material expert and sales, providing all necessary mechanical installation materials, device, and equipment in the quality and with the right features requested by the customers. At the requested time, preparing them in accordance with expert and carrying out logistics and export works. Sorry. Next, please. And second service is about the mechanical installation works. Plan B engineering, it provides reliable and solution-oriented services in the field of mechanical installation works, in the construction of different types of commercial structures, such as hotels, residence, villas, mansions, office, stores, skyscrapers, as well as mines, data centers, small, medium, and large-scale industrial facilities, shopping malls, hospitals, etc. And doesn't matter which kind building. Next, please. And second one is carrying out mechanical installation contracting works, implementation works, carrying out on-site installation and commissioning works, including materials and labor for our customers. Contracting works is different continents and countries around the world. Next, please. Our activities areas and Plan B engineering provides services to its customers in the following areas: air conditioning systems, firefighting or fire extinguishing systems, ventilation systems, sanitary systems. Sanitary systems means clean water, waste water, hot water, cold water, and industrial cooling systems, heating systems, steam installation systems, hot water and hot oil systems for the some industrial plants, natural gas installation systems, natural gas pipelines also, compressed air installation systems, again for the some kind plants or trade buildings, rainwater collection systems, pool works, and Olympic, half Olympic type, open or closed type private pools also. Full line works, pipeline works for the oil, for the natural gas, and storage tanks works. Storage tanks works can be two different type, carbon steel or stainless steel, and some special process installations in factories. Next, please. Our spatial application areas, for example, you can see two different kind storage tanks. Left side is stainless steel storage tanks, and right side you can see carbon steel storage tanks. For example, if you need oil storage tanks, it must be carbon steel. But if you will put some food, milk, or chemical materials, they need stainless steel storage tanks. Next, please. And another spatial application areas is pipelines, an oil pipeline or natural gas pipeline or water pipeline is doesn't matter which one. We have good spatial equipments and we have spatial teams. They have some spatial skills for this kind welding works and this kind installation works. If we have a new contract about this kind works, we prepare our team and our equipments and what we need, materials, generators, cranes, and after that we start and complete in a time. Next, please. And another oil storage tanks, sample the welded manufacturing works. Next. Natural gas pipeline, again welded manufacturing works. Next, please. Our spatial application areas, construction of the spatial process line. For example, you have a plants about the foods or textile or chemical, and for example, just a minute. Vedat Aksoy have some cosmetic factory plants in the Iran. They need some stainless steel storage tanks. They need stainless steel spatial process lines for the chemical for the some granules. This is changing process by process. What your product and your requirement is changing. Okay, next, please. And our new favorite works area, installation of central cooling system in the data centers. Now all of the world, this kind works is new and niche installation area. Next, please. And if you have some data center, we must installation central cooling systems. Next. And this photo from some spatial plans. This lines not about the heating, cooling, or clean or water lines. These all lines about some spatial process lines. Next, please. And Plan B engineering alternative energy systems, and we provide service to our customers with our group company ICP Group, Yeşil Enerji Systems anonim şirketi, regarding alternative energy systems. And ICP Group managing partner, Mr.Osman Acıyan, my last boss from the Caribbean islands. When I was a young engineer, I was work with them in a Caribbean islands 2008. Our head office in Çengelköy district in Istanbul, Turkey. We have a regional directorate for the Balkans and Eastern Europe in Podgorica, the capital of Montenegro, which produce its own. Next, please. And we can next this one, not a problem. And our activity areas, some photos of examples, applications. This project in Istanbul, and Kemer Country Hotels and Residence project name. Total area is 14,100 square meters. Mechanical installation works volume is nearly $2 million United States dollars. Next, please. Some photos for the firefighting systems and other kind works, HVAC and air handling units. Just a minute. This mentions owner from Afghanistan. He's biggest businessman from Afghanistan. They have a lot of different plans about the food, and total area is 1,100 square meters. Looks like a, how can I say, palace, right? Next, please.
Yeah, we can say a mansion.
Mansion, yes, but very luxury.
Yeah, little palace, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Mr. Walid can bring you similar business. There are many princes in UAE, also Saudi Arabia. They have houses like this.
Yes. Next, please, Mr. President. Just a minute. We complete this project. Project name is Kemer Country Su Evleri 1. We complete 42 different villas all mechanical installation works. Material plus labor. Owner is Demirören Holding, and investor is Demirören Holding. Main contractor is Libya Construction, and this is also good project. Next, please. This mansion name is Pelican Hill Mansions. Total project area is 2,075,000 square meters, and total 713 mansions, and smallest one is nearly 600 square meters, and biggest one is 1,200 square meters, and very special kind mansion works, this project also. Next, please. And swimming pools, Olympic, half Olympic, or private, open or closed type, doesn't matter. We are constructing only mechanical installation works, full pumps, pipelines, and other mechanical equipments. Next, please. Different kinds pools for the hotels, for the some villas, or some mansions. Next. Next, please. Next, please. This for informations. And these lines, stainless steel lines, if we are speaking about food or chemical plants or workshop, they need this kind stainless steel pipes, valves, tanks. Next, please. And this is this photo about power plants. Next, please. We are working only about the mechanical installation works, HVAC, ventilation, firefighting systems, pipelines, or welding works. Next. And just a minute. This is a natural gas pressure station, and this kind works also very special works. Next, please. This is another power plants, kind is geothermal. Next, please. Other tank farm. Next, please. Different type. Next. Next. Systems also. Next, please.
Mr. Osman, when I see these pictures, mechanical engineer mostly about piping, air conditioning, firefighting, liquid transfer,
Yes.
pumps, boilers, heating, cooling,
Yes. Plumbing and sanitary equipments also.
storage.
Yes.
Okay.
Just a minute. Why do our customers prefer us? This is a very important point, I think. We produce effective, planned, and efficient solutions to do all the work at the desired time and quality. And in our applications, we analyze customer needs, correctly and produce the most beneficial solutions. We provide our customers with additional income through detailed analysis of cost and project-based value engineering studies. Our very important skills is value engineering. This is very important. Next, please.
Mr. Osman, can you please explain more? What is value engineering?
Okay. Sorry, I can speak English, but little bit.
If you cannot describe it, I will in the question answer part.
For example, you have some project and you need
So value engineering is about saving money and
Yes.
advising the
Yes.
best option,
Yes, yes. Thanks.
quality and price wise.
Thanks, Mr. President. Yes. Why do our customers prefer us? We always provide our customers with services that are honest, fair, and reliable. This is important point. Yeah. We offer maximum benefit by okay, we can next. I think this section also important, but I will share our presentation for all friends. What we can do, which companies do we want to reach, who would be a good employer or a good customer for us. These important things. Hotels and other touristic facilities, shopping and living centers, hospitals, villas, mansions, business centers, office buildings. I like skyscrapers also because if we have one skyscraper project, this means mechanical installation works and equipment is very special. Next, please. We can pass because time goes and okay. This part also important. Questions to ask for business referral because we are join Turnkey for the business referral and how we can advise our friends job or business referral. We must know. For example, do you have a current job that you need for mechanical installation works? Next, please. I will share our presentation. And next, please. I will share. Yeah. What do our customers say about us? Just a minute. And Japanese company is Tokyo Rob. Department manager Yamaguchi Kengo says for us, you showed us the shortcomings in our work with your detailed value engineering studies. We were honored to work with you. Thanks. National Education Foundation schools in Büyükçekmece General Coordinator Salih Özmen says Plan B Engineering and Mr.Osman Acıyan always do their jobs. How can I say, Mr. President? How can I say this word? Okay.
Which one? Sorry, I missed.
how can I say these words after jobs?
After delivery of the project.
No,
Meticulously.
thanks, Mr. Acıyan. After, I don't know how can I say pronunciation.
Okay, you wanted to hear the
Yeah.
pronunciation.
And just a minute. And Silk Construction owner and CEO Mr. Oğuz Yılmaz. Also, Silk Construction main contractor Tesla in Germany. And Mr. Oğuz Yılmaz says Plan B Engineering, which always does all its work on time and in the desired manner, is not just a supplier for us, but an indispensable and important part of our company that does its job very well. Thank you. Next, please. And other one, Kemer Country Club technical manager Sedat Uzun says, we have never seen anyone working as planned and organized as you. Thank you for your contributions. Kemer Country project total area is 2,300,000 square meters. Very special and A plus project. Yeah. Next, please. I will share all presentation. And just a minute, Mr. President. Please, up page. Yes. And we complete 7 different type and size stainless steel cylindrical vertical solvent storage tanks for the Dow Chemical Company and AXA. And there also says congratulations, and we complete our works in a time and good quality, and by good quality. Next, please. Just a minute. Just up page, please. Thanks. And we are working with Silk Construction in 10 years. We prepare all mechanical equipments for the some storage, SC-Waikiki, Cotton, De Facto, Reebok, and another brands from Europe. We buy, prepare, and export all materials for the Romania, Germany, Morocco, Poland, Croatia, Georgia projects. Next, please. And we work with Tesla in Germany about the mechanical installation contracting works of the showroom service and sales dealerships of the automobile giant Tesla, built in different states and cities throughout Germany. And our another customer, International Community School, and this school a large worldwide educational organization. And next, please. This businessman Wahid Ahmet Bahadur mentions. I show you some pictures from his mansion. He is really professional. They will have new big mansions more this year. And next, please. Next, please. Next and next, please. Next, Mr. President. Thank you. Nice to meet you all. Thank you so much. Best regards. I think
I shared your project details already. Presentation shared with the members. Q&A part, we can have questions if you still have the energy. We are almost, now it's almost 3:30, 2 hours.
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. It's like a record.
I have a question.
it's a joke. 2.5 hour meeting is very long term.
Mr. Osman took half an hour. The presentation could be shorter and simpler. I suggested also the website. You should fix your website as soon as possible. I will share also the recording after. I owe Mr. Mohammed Ömer one because when he was making presentation, our Zoom Pro package is expired, and that's why I couldn't record. But he's gonna make a new one in the new year about the special offers for the turnkey members to have a permanent showroom in Iraq, in Kirkuk, how he can help turnkey members enter Iraqi market. We will realize it very soon, inshallah, brother. Quickly, I would like to have questions or closing remarks. Ömer, go ahead, please. Mohammed Ömer.
Thank you for the presentation, Mr. Osman. 4 quick notes. Besides of Germany, have you built another project outside Turkey?
Can you say one more time? Sorry, excuse me.
I think you have done project in Germany.
Yes.
Other countries, have you done projects, especially?
Yes,
Which
yes.
country?
For example, Morocco,
Nice.
Croatia, Romania.
Great. It's enough.
You
mentioned
they are
Middle East.
Most of the projects they are doing related with either chemical or oil and gas industry. I think there's a need for this kind of service in Middle East, and they were working with the business developer facilitator another day, raw oil storage facility in Iraq. It was in Basra, Mr. Osman?
Yes.
Yes, sometimes we have some project from another cities also from Iraq.
Yes. Fire extinguisher systems. Is there, because my friend has a distribution from Netherlands, do you use local Turkish products or do you have your own systems?
We have Turkish products, also European or United States products, brands, both of them.
Okay. You mentioned swimming pools. Do you aware of biologic lakes, biyolojik gölet? Have you done?
For example, when Gaddafi is live, we complete in Libya, and Libya's biggest lake.
Yes, biologic. You can grow fish.
Also, yeah.
Yeah, perfect. One last thing. gas processing implants. Have you worked on that?
Yes.
Because in Iraq, the next couple of years, you know, in Iraq we have a gas, burning gas. But in 2 years we are going to invest to build implants to evaluate those gases, and that's it. I think it's clear for you how much big market you have there.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You know, Raşit Bey, excuse me. Sizden destek alırsam iyi
Abi
olur.
Muhammed Ömer Bey Türkçe biliyor. O Ankara'da yaşıyor.
Ben Türkçe biliyorum abi. Türkçe konuşabilirsiniz. Sıkıntı yok.
Dünyada en kazançlı 3 sektör var. Dünya
Evet.
He says there are 3 most profitable industries in the world.
Sector
First,
in the world.
En karlısı ve birincisi sinema, eğlence sektörü.
movie industry.
Entertainment.
İkincisi silah savunma sektörü.
The second one is defense industry.
Üçüncüsü de enerji sektörü.
Third one is energy.
Biz üçüncüsüyle ilgiliyiz.
So we are working on the third one.
Ömer Bey, özür
Teşekkür
dilerim.
ederim.
Araya girmek istiyorum. Ömer Bey, siz sadece mekanik tesisat olarak düşünmeyin. Arabistan, Irak ya Orta Doğu solar enerji ve biyomaz, biyokütle olarak da oldukça bakir bir topraklar oraları.
Ben fazla uzatmak istemedim. Toplantı uzamasın. Çok her
Ya,
slaytta sorun vardı da o kadar
Biz de
yani.
devam
ileriki
edelim
günlerde-
isterseniz arkadaşlara haksızlık olmasın.
Yes.
Dayanamadım, kusura bakmayın.
Yeah, Mr. Osman, I shared contact details of Mr. Amit with you. You can do one-on-one. Thank you, Mr. Walid, for inviting Amit. He didn't stay long enough because it is a long meeting. I think he disappeared. He had business to chase. Miss Fevziya, do you have any question? Sumaya, I will receive Hassan and meet Hassan when he come to Istanbul. Thank you for joining today. You can take turns to join our meetings regularly. Mr.
Okay, I wanted to inform the members, we have a showroom as well. So, and the display is free. We work on other arrangements later.
For Turkish exporters, you provide free showroom.
Yes, we have free space in Kampala near our office.
This is the message for Mr. Mohammed. They
It's not
offer
for
also.
But it's for small samples, yes.
Yeah, they offer us showroom for free and exhibit their samples of Turkish exporters who wants to enter Uganda market. Thank you, Fazia.
Okay.
Mr. Dari, have a question? You raised hand.
Yes, I have a question. Mr. Osman, very good project. You know, so quick question. Number one, the cooling that you have for data centers, you know, there's a time I've heard about what they call the district cooling system.
Yeah.
District cooling or heating systems.
No, we don't have heating in Nigeria. We have a cooling situation. You know, Nigeria is always hot.
For
So it's called
example,
district. Yeah.
For example, we have a power plants in Nigeria, and we have lost a lot of heat and big volume, and we are using this loss energy and loss heat for the regional heating or cooling.
Oh, where is that project in Nigeria?
For example, if you will visit in Istanbul, we can go and I will show you how possible. For example, we have another power plants in Istanbul, Esenyurt, Başakşehir, and we are using regional heating systems from the power plants
Power
loss.
plant, yeah. So it can use the energy loss from the power plant to do cooling as well.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And
Yes, yes, of course.
complete the circulation must some energy in take out of how can I say? Sorry, you understand? I think.
Mhm, mhm.
Yeah, you
Let's
can
say,
you
Mr.
can make
Varol.
one-on-one. It's very technical.
Hmm.
And yeah, if you allow me, I would like to end the session. It's been more than 2.5 hours. I wish everyone, our Christian friends, happy Christmas and happy New Year. Inshallah,
Inshallah.
25 will be a takeoff year for Turnkey. We were exercising, warming up in the last 5 years. Mr. Mohammed, you want to say something? You are interrupting presidential speech now. Okay. Inshallah, everyone can realize their targets, dreams in the new year. Make plans and use your visualization. I believe in law of attraction. It's a physical law, like a law of gravity. If you set up a target, like from 3 years now, if you can use all your 5 senses, if you can see yourself there, hear, feel, and put your heart in it, also put your passion. If you have a good cause, all the universe will help you. I am a Muslim. I believe Allah will help you if you have a good purpose. And He will open all the way. And He will organize. He will meet you, help you meet necessary people that will help you realize all these dreams. And it's like just go into, I will explain with a mechanical example. When you go into elevator and it's a 100 floor skyscraper, you want to go to the top floor. You maybe think it's very painful to walk up all these stairs and how you don't know how to get there. But there's a fast elevator, you just push the button and it takes you up there. So sometimes you can call it universe. The atheist people, deist people, they call it universe. But I believe nothing happens out of coincidence, and unconscious nature or universe cannot help you. And there's a perfect engineering also in the design of the universe. And there should be an engineer, master engineer behind it, and a master designer. And I believe this is Allah, this is God. And if you have a good cause, good purpose, just visualize it and put your heart, you will radiate the energy. And we can call it also frequency. It will bring you necessary resources. And it will open your way, like our scholar, Islamic scholar Mevlana said. Just start the journey, just make the first step. Mevlana Jalaluddin Rumi, Mr. Muhammad Reza knows him very well. He wrote Mesnevi in Farsi. Just make the first step. The road will show up to you, or the partners you need, they will come to you. You will attract whatever it takes, whatever is necessary. And our job is sometimes we take too much burden. We are simple human beings and humble servants. And we are not God. We are not Allah. You know, we put too much on our shoulders sometimes. All we need is to make dua, good intention, and make small steps, little baby steps, and Allah will help us, and God will help us, and with all the possibilities, resources. This was my personal experience with Turnkey. When I started the journey 5 years ago, my goal was, how can I help poor kids in Africa? Frankly speaking, Dare knows. When we came, we visited orphanage to support. To fight with poverty in Africa, we needed resources. So a business platform in a business council manner, like we design now, it was necessary. And there were big demand in other countries for Turkish contractors, suppliers, product or service suppliers. And starting from my network, humble network, we started with a few people, and now we have reached 40 countries, around 50 industries, big brands like Arcan Generator, BRN Bed, and many others like Vestel. For example, Vestel is a global company, and they don't need us, but we even help Vestel to enter Africa. They opened the biggest showroom in Ethiopia, and now they are planning joint manufacture with Mr. Ozan Semerci. We introduced, they already have 8 showrooms in Addis Ababa, and they are planning joint venture manufacturing. So now we are halfway through the journey to become, we are just about to take off. The plane has enough speed now to take off, to go up to the sky. And from now on, inshallah, this year, we will reach 80 countries and 200 exporters. By 26, 500 exporters. By 30, probably more than 1,000 exporters. And our business developers will be rich, believe me. Our local partners, they will have all the contractors, suppliers, giving them commissions and sharing profits. And we will extend them all the possibilities of Turkey. We will open the doors. It's a door of opportunities, Turnkey. And who am I to set up such a global network? My role here was to push the button. And it's all work of Allah, God, whatever you believe, whatever you call it. And it works miraculously. And this was my humble role. And I try to set up a good example. Mr. Dare is in a hurry. I think he's gonna join a Christmas program. I will cut it short. So let's stay together and work together. And inshallah, starting from next year, with our AI project and softwares, inshallah, we are gonna be a global network by 2030, benefiting everyone. We will grow together, inshallah, become rich together. Not for the luxuries life. I'm not big fan of luxuries life, but to help more needy people and to share our wealth with others, to fight with poverty. We can donate more to charities and have a good living with our family members, of course. Quality life. Thank you very much, everyone. Stay in touch, stay together, work together. I would like to thank especially Mr. Walid and Mr. Mohammed Ömer, Ms. Murvet, Mr. Osman, Mr. Dare, They never skip a meeting, and they're always there 24/7. We will build a very strong team, like stronger than Barcelona, inshallah. And we are going to win the biggest cups in the world. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend. It's a few days for the weekend. Always I say have a good weekend because we make meetings on Saturday. If you don't see each other, if you don't communicate by the New Year, I wish you all the best in the New Year. Take care. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.